If you are encountering any challenge with your Bolt Cab app, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Bolt app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are unable to request for a drive because the app is crashing or the app is too slow or some features of the app are not working, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you need to access Bolt app info page. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see we have app info. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. It will depend on the version of smartphone you are using. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on your smartphone. Now at this point, we need to force stop this app by typing on force stop here and okay. This will halt any activities that might be running behind the scene on this Bolt app. Once you are done, now you need to clear data here by typing on clear data and then clear cache and finally okay. At this point, restart your smartphone and go back to your app and now it should be working smoothly. However, if this does not fix, go back to app info and this time around you need to clear all data. For this step, you'll be logged out and therefore you'll need to log in afresh with your credentials. However, if any of this method does not work, then you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store, find out if we have any update and update your app to the latest version just to ensure that you are using the latest version of this app that is supported. At this point now everything should be okay. However, you'll still experience issues such as the app is crashing. For that, you need to uninstall the app, totally clear trash or clear junk from your smartphone before you install the app afresh. Doing so will ensure that you are able to clear bugs from your app. So that's how you can troubleshoot your Bolt Request a Ride app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.